Hey everybody, and this is another part to our Halloween folio. I'll link down below. This was the video when we made the main body of the folio. And now I just wanted to play around with a bunch of clusters that we're going to use to just embellish all throughout this folio. So this is our Halloween theme. I may have got carried away. It's been so much fun to play with. So I've gone ahead and cut everything out and kind of assembled generally what I want to do, but there are so many pieces, you can really mix and match whatever you want. I also have been having so much fun with, I'll show you the uncut ones. These stickers that we have, we finally decided to go ahead and do some exclusive stickers for you guys, and so I've been using these in the kit as well. Those are washi. These are washi numbers, and these are just some really fun spooky labels and circles, so you don't have to fussy cut. Anyway, way fun. I'll post the link down below, and just so you know where they come from when you see them in the video. All right, so let's just get started. I am just making clusters. They're really easy. They all come with a base that looks something like this. So let's go ahead and put this one together. I just decided it would be fun to have some that are a little more involved and some that are a little less involved. So there's definitely a variety. Kind of just grab what you love and then just play with it. That's the best advice I've got. So we have this fun spider label, and then we have one of these washi stickers, and I love that because then you don't have to worry about fussy cutting them out at all. So they're semi-transparent, and I think I want it on this side, yeah. And I just have a whole set with tiny little numbers and words that are just perfect for that. I mean, how fun. So fun. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put this on, but I'm also gonna attach this with an eyelet so we don't have to get too involved with gluing that on, just to kind of hold it while we place our eyelet. All right, so this is going to be literally that easy of a cluster. And you're going to see these are going to go all throughout the journal in the final product and just be fun. You could put some twine or ribbon or whatever through there, but honestly, we're going to be using a lot that are just like this, just to add interest to like a pocket or things like that. So I'll leave them where you can see them, and I'm just going to start playing. All right, I thought this would be kind of fun to do a more involved one because I know one of them is going to end up on this little flap that goes on the cover. So I thought it'd be fun to have a few more layers. We're going to add some coffee dyed cheesecloth, which always looks great with Halloween. I just buy mine at the grocery store, stick it in coffee for 30 seconds and then let it dry, and then you just plop it wherever you want on your project, and it will just add such a fun touch to it. I have this scary black butterfly. It's not really scary, but when you put it with everything else, it gives it this fun Halloween vibe. So I did throw a couple of butterflies in as well. And it's fun when you're doing these because you can come up off of your little base and let things kind of go past the edge. That's gonna get eyeletted down where it's at. Maybe that would be cool. Let's run with it. And in the kit I have about, I don't know how many, so many, you guys. Just little bits like this that are just gonna be fun to play with. Now I wanna decide, I think I want this to go underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that down now. And maybe let it stick up. Yes, yes. Just like that. All right. So lots of layers. You have that fun cheesecloth that pokes out. Let's go ahead and add another eyelet. And you guys are gonna see so many eyelet settings. And this, since it's probably gonna go on the cover, I haven't decided for sure, but wouldn't that be fun to dangle a cute little charm on the cover? So watch for that in our, as we continue embellishing, because I'm just gonna work through some fun different things. This one's really easy, but you have your base, and then I have this really thin lace, and so it doesn't need much to stick it on there. But I'm gonna leave it hanging off the edge until I know where it's going in the book, because that could be really fun. These would also be way fun to sew on, so keep that in mind too. I just don't like sewing when I'm trying to make them on camera, so, but keep in mind you could. All right, I'm finding the top of my clock. XII, there you are. So this is another one of the washi stickers, one of the bigger ones. Isn't that cute? So fun. And way fun when you see them on. I've decided stickers are a lot of fun to work with. All right, and then we just have this number that's gonna go right on top of that. Or do I want to come down low? Well, I kind of like that centered. You don't often see stuff centered. We kind of like to offset stuff, but I kind of like covering that lace through the washi. So that's a fun effect. All right, and don't worry. We're gonna eyelet this one too. I don't want any cluster to be left out. I gotta put a cute little thing through that, some twine or something. That would be so cute. All right, so there's another. Let's see. Some of these I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I know I wanted one that went up and down. So I have this skeleton sticker. Isn't that cool? So that one's gonna go here and head in this direction instead of laying on its side. Hopefully I find somewhere to use it in the kit. I will. There's so many. There's so many places. This kit is this kit is packed. It'll be fun. All right. I just thought it'd be fun to have a little number kind of poking off the edge just to add some dimension. So that's gonna come over here. And now, I love that I don't have to fussy cut. So handy. We want this guy. We want this guy right here. And he sticks right down. Excellent. Love it. All right, let's see. I'm debating if I eyelet here or here. Probably here, huh? Yep. I think that's the way to go. There we go. Woohoo, my daughter just got home from school. All right, there's that. And I might be trimming that off because that's so curled there, but it might work because when I glue it in the journal, I could just kind of tack it down a little. So we'll see. We'll leave it for now. It won't hurt anything. All right, here's a fun one. So simple, just 2 pieces, a little bit of the cheesecloth, and it hardly needs any glue, but I want it really just making a statement on this piece. And then we've got this little good for. That'll be cute. All right. And I'm gonna kind of leave that sticking up a little bit because I like the dimension of that medallion kind of popping up. You know what? This thing says to me that it wants just a tiny number. So I'm gonna just grab this sticker sheet and just pick a tiny one. This one's perfect. And it just wants something else. So I think I'm just gonna put it right there. Yes. So cute. Awesome. Ooh, I don't even know. Well, yep, gonna do it. I said I would, and I'm not leaving any out. There we go. I just love when you just have all the pieces and you just get to play and make clusters. It just is so fun. All right, let's see. We have more cheesecloth, and I want this one to go like a kitty corner this way, because I don't like to hide it all. I like it to give that spooky kind of an effect. Now, the cool thing about these washies too is if you want, they take ink on them, and you can kind of ink them up as well just to grunge it down. So don't be afraid to play with that too. I don't want to rip off my pumpkin stem. You do still have to be careful not to rip. But this is going to come right here. Right there. Look how cute. That's fun with it being inked. It even almost has like a slight orange tinge. And now I have just a little sign. Let me scooch this up so you can see a little more. And it says, "Enter if you dare." Ha ha ha. Cute. I like Halloween, but I don't like to get too spooky. I like more of the cutesy fun stuff, but this is about my level. I love it. You know what I want to do? I think, let me see if it'll still work now that I've already punched it. Yes, I want that. I want that there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll just make sure I cover that hole and it will just get repunched. So just make sure that hole gets covered right there. And it just pops up just a little. That is almost so cute. I almost just want to put a number and not an eyelet. You guys, I'm going to do it. We got to roll. We got to adapt, right? We've got to go with the flow here. Let's see what's a good one that will fit right through there. This could be cute. A little 25 cents. Let me show you what I'm doing here. And I think that'll fit just about perfect on there. And I think I'm gonna have to go in and, oh, so cute. Oh my heck. I love it. That's right. That's right up my alley. Love it. All right. Let's see. I just have two more. This one's fun because it has a red, and there's not a lot of red in this kit. And I'm going to go ahead and use this wider lace on this one. I just wish you guys could like just hold everything because it just is so fun just to feel it and love it. Let's see, do I want another little layer? You know what, I do. I'm gonna go for it. So see, even though I kind of pre-plan these, I still just adjust as I go. And of course 31 for October 31st. And let's see, do I want it up here? That's cute, you guys. I'm doing it. See, another change. And I'm gonna let this one really poke up. That'll be cute. And this one gets an eyelet. And you could definitely put stuff through these if you wanted, but like I said, they're gonna be in the middle of, well, you'll see, like some of them I'm even gonna use as tiny pockets, so fun. All right, one more, we get this fellow. I love this sticker. Love it. So there's quite a lot to this. Let's just start layering. I just wanted something that's totally sticking off the edge. It's just surprising. So that's gonna stick clear out. Then I'm gonna get me some cheesecloth. I had to do the sound effect. Let's see, gonna mush that on. I think I have some black thread in there. Ooh, that's just cool. Let's just see if it works. Why not? All right, I think I need a little more. My fingers are now as sticky as my glue. There we go. Now we're gonna get our buddy on. I'm gonna ink him up just a hair. And he's going on my cheesecloth, so I'm debating if I ought to put just a touch of glue. I think I will, just on this side where he's gonna be. It won't hurt. He's gonna go right in the center. I don't think I needed that. It's pretty sticky. These stickers are pretty sticky, which is awesome. All right, and then I just want something sticking off on the bottom. And it says, thrills and chills. I have a bunch of cute little sayings. All right, and I think this needs an eyelet. Oh, I don't know. Oh, we're gonna be traditional, and we're gonna stick it over on this side. All right, so that is how you make the little layering bits. And you know, pretty much there's plenty in the kit without the stickers. The stickers just add a fun little effect because they're washi and see-through. So either way, I'll link all of it, but there's so much, and you'll find in your kit so many more bits. Like, let me see if I can grab it real quick. I have it all laid out so I could play with it. But I mean, so many other little bits that you can just mix and match and put it together how you love it. So they are just charming. Anyway, I hope you love them, and we'll keep going. We've got more to make for before we put our final folio together, and we will get there. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.